Good morning, everyone. Let us start with day 19 of our regular SAP FICO session. Today, the topic that we will cover is organization structure in SAP. Within the list of org elements in SAP, we have operating concern, controlling area, and company code, which are related to FICO, and rest like plant, storage location, shipping point, sales organization, division, distribution channel, and purchasing organization are from the other modules. Let us try to understand about each of them. First is the operating concern. Operating concern is the topmost node in the org element if the profitability analysis is activated. If it is not activated, then the controlling area becomes the topmost node, which is the gambit or umbrella of storing all the cost data for internal analysis and reporting. Operating concern is related to profitability analysis. The profitability analysis is related to analyzing the profit of the company. The profit of the company is calculated by reducing the cost of goods sold from the sales. The next org element below the controlling area is the company code. Company code is nothing but the legally registered business unit for which the balance sheet and P&L statements are prepared. The next org element is the plant. This is not related to the FICO org element, but it is from the other modules like material management. Plant means nothing but the manufacturing unit or the branch within a company code. Next is the storage location. Storage location is nothing but the storage area within plant. Shipping point. Shipping point is nothing but the place or the point from which the loading happens in case of goods issue for the sales process. Sales organization is nothing but the org element that is responsible for managing the sales. Division. Division is nothing but the product or service category that the company deals in. Distribution channel is nothing but the sales line. For example, the sales line can be a wholesale line or a retail line or some any other line. Purchasing organization. Purchasing organization is nothing but the org element that is responsible for managing the purchasing process. With this, we complete the discussion on the organization element in SAP, wherein we understood that if the profitability analysis is activated, the operating concern is the highest node. If it is not activated, then the controlling area is the highest node. And below controlling area, we can have one or multiple company codes. And below company codes, there can be one or more plants. Below plant, there can be one or more storage location and shipping points. Similarly, then there can be a centralized sales organization in case of MNCs, meaning the sales process is handled from a single organization. That is called centralized sales organization, or there can be a decentralized sales organization, meaning there can be a different sales organization within a company. Similarly, we also understood the division as being the product or service categories that the companies deal with. The distribution channel is the way through which the product or services are delivered to the customers. Purchasing organization is nothing but the organization elements that manages the purchase process, which can also be either centralized or decentralized. Now I hope that you have a fair understanding of the organization elements that exist in SAP. With this, we are closing for the day. We will create all those organization structures practically in the SAP in upcoming session. For today, we are closing now and we'll meet again tomorrow. Thank you.